If you have an older family member using an iPhone, like a parent or grandparent, the phone can sometimes feel confusing or overwhelming. The good news is you can make a few simple changes to make the iPhone much easier for seniors to use. In this video, I'm going to walk you through several helpful tips to simplify an iPhone for older adults. First tip, increase the text size. One of the easiest ways to help seniors is to make the text larger. Go to Settings, then tap Display and Brightness. From there, increase the text size so everything on the screen becomes easier to read. Next tip, remove unnecessary apps. Too many apps can confuse seniors. Long press on the home screen until the apps start to move. Then delete any apps that are not needed. Keeping only a few important apps makes the phone much simpler to use. Next, organize the home screen. Place the most important apps like Phone, Messages, and Contacts right on the main home screen. You can even keep just the Phone app in the bottom dock so it is always easy to find. Next tip, prevent accidental Do Not Disturb. Many seniors accidentally turn on Do Not Disturb by swiping on the screen. This can cause them to miss calls. You may want to explain the difference between tapping and swiping so they don't accidentally enable that feature. Next, adjust touch settings. Some seniors have trouble with touch sensitivity. Go to Settings, then Accessibility, then Touch. Inside Touch Accommodations, you can adjust settings that make tapping easier and more accurate. Next tip, increase the call volume. If your senior family member has hearing difficulty, go to Settings, then Sounds and Haptics. Turn the ringtone and call volume up to the maximum level. Next, increase the number of rings. Sometimes seniors take longer to reach the phone. Contact the phone carrier and ask them to increase the number of rings before the call goes to voicemail. Next tip, use speakerphone for calls. Show them how to answer a call and tap the speaker button. This makes conversations much easier to hear. Next, clean up contacts. Remove old or unnecessary contacts and keep only the important ones. This makes it easier to find the right person when making a call. Next tip, teach tap instead of swipe. Many seniors instinctively swipe on the screen instead of tapping. Show them how most actions require a simple tap instead. Next, disable mobile data if needed. Some seniors accidentally turn on mobile data and may use a lot of data without realizing it. You can disable mobile data in Settings or ask the phone carrier to block data usage. Next tip, show how to access recent calls. Teach them how to open the Phone app and tap the Recents tab. This makes it easy for them to call someone back quickly. Next, show how to check voicemail. Also show them how to listen to voicemail messages so they don't miss important calls. Next tip, keep important apps visible. Make sure the main apps they use are clearly visible on the home screen. Avoid placing important apps in folders where they might be hard to find. Next, hide settings if needed. If necessary, you can move the Settings app to a different page so it's less likely to be opened accidentally. Final tip, teach phone safety. Remind seniors never to give personal information to unknown callers. Scammers often target older adults, so this is very important. With just a few small adjustments, an iPhone can become much easier for seniors to use. If you found these tips helpful, feel free to share this video with someone who might need it.